Let me show you how I draw this line diagram in Origin Pro. Line diagram also provide a lot of information like the bar chart or the pie chart. So this is the same data I use for line graph in Origin Pro. So let's get started. I draw this line diagram using this data. Here we have only two columns, x-axis and y-axis. So on x-axis we have the year here, and y-axis we have number of publication. So let's get started here. So here we have two columns, so I have to select both columns. As I mentioned in my previous video that here is a bar here. So in this bar there are all type of graphs here. So if you want to draw line graph, so this is the line graph here. You see here, I want to change to this here, so it will change, but I am interested in this line and symbol here line and symbol. But if you don't find this bar here, so you can simply go to here plot. Where is plot data here? Again come from here, so the plot data is now here. You see here, so the plot tab is appear now. So from here you can just select the line symbol graph here. You see now the graph is formed here, right? Very interesting. So if you want to close this shape, so I did this before, it's very easy here. So you can work with this lines here, and simply if you want to close this graph, so you can simply work with these x-axis. In Origin, when you want to do changes, you simply click. When I click here, so a box appear here. So from this box I want to bring the opposite lines here, and simply you need to go to grid line, and there is opposite to horizontal and opposite to vertical. In apply you will see the changes, right? Correct. Very easily. If you want to do the changes with this x-axis here, so in simply it is in scale here, in scale. So here are the two, the increment is 2. If you want to make it 3, so you can make it 3 here, right? And if you want to rotate these ears like I did, so that is the custom trick here. So you make it 45 here, so you can make it 45, right? Very, very easy. And just I think we finish here. So just click here, but I am not interested in this ear here. Here we have number of applications, so we have to write here number of publications, correct here, right? So yeah, make it make it also here board. Yeah, you can increase size here and also make this board here and increase the size here. You can change the text, everything here, right? Similarly make it board here if you want to increase the size, etc. Okay, fine. Now we finish almost these things. So if you want to bring these legends here, so you can bring it to here, and you can also here write here number of number of number of publication, number of publications. Very good. So you can write this here. You can also make this board here. Yeah, if you want to make it like I did here, so you just right click. When these blue green border appear, so you can do changes. So go to property here, and simply here you can do any, but I like shadows here, so I just put shadows here. Okay, now we finished the rest of the editing, but now we are interested in here, in this graph now. Simply click this now here. When I click this graph here, so there are 4 tabs like before: line, symbols, drop line, label. So these two are important here. The line is the connecting lines here. So these are straight here and solid here. If you want to dashes, so dash. Yeah, you can do dashes here. You see, very, very nice. And let's make it 1/2 look good here. Yeah, fine. You want to change the color, so you can change the color, make it red. You see, you make it red, right? But if you want to keep it black, so let's make it keep it black here. So we keep it black here. Right now we finish this part. This is the area under the curve, but I'm not interested in this here because it's not look good here. I want to show the growth of something, right? Now let's go to symbol. Very, very interesting. Now my symbol is this square here, so you can change from here, but I'm interested in other place. I need to go to custom construction. Okay, so custom, I like two. One is the circle here, and I keep it open, or sometimes I keep it dot here. I like this here, right? Now here the size of this sphere here or circle here. So let's make it 30 here. You see, now it's increased. 30 is much bigger. Let's make it 24. Yeah, 24 now. Okay. Now this edge thickness mean how I will change the line of this sphere now, not from this line, from this symbol here, and that is the edge here. Right? Let's make it 30 here. 50. You see? Yeah, it's changing now, right? and let's make it only open here. Yeah, you see here. So this edge is basically related to the border of this circles here. You see, very nice. And now the line is also here. You can change this lines to red. Look, it's look good. You see? Yes. And the fill color, how to fill this in? I usually fill yellow because yellow looks good here. You see? This is how we draw this line diagram here. And if you make it I don't remember mine is maybe, yeah, dark, right? Okay, so far we almost done this thing. And these drop lines we are not interesting. If you want to drop line we exact value, so I think if you're interested, so you can make it labels, you can bring the value here, but I'm not interested in bringing these values, right? So so far we have completed. Now you want to show the trend here. So I have in PowerPoint this graph here, and let me copy from here. It is copied, so I have to copy. You can also do this in PowerPoint, but if you want to keep it in origin, so you just simply bring it to origin here. Yeah, you see here, so I just bring it here. Very good, very nice. Yeah, very good graph. So now it shows the incredible ascending trend in aerogels is a thermal insulator. You can change this according to your information here. This is we've finished the line diagram. Let's compare our diagram with the original one. Yeah, so these are somehow similar, correct? Very good. You see how I draw these diagrams. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, so please do ask me. But important thing is you must need to give time. You must need to master these skills in order to draw good diagram in your research paper or review paper.